Hello, everybody. This is the Test 3 Workbook Skills Tutorial Part 2, where I'm going to talk about the phat part of the workbook. So the problem I'm going to be using for this... the problem I'm going to be using for this is number 60 from chapter 17. That's where we're at. Whoops, I was already on the right page. And there it is, potato chips. Alrighty. So, whoops, I'm sorry. Potato chips was the one I wanted to save for the any normal versus normal X bar. Problem I'm looking for is problem 34. Excuse me, guys. I've been up since like 4. It's almost 8 now. I've been making videos all morning. We'll see how this goes. Okay, 34. Yeah, nice, happy seed germination problem. I'm starting to think about this for my garden. So I'm going to click on the normal phat tab. And so in class the other day, I had typed a formula in here. That's not needed. So we'll get to that in a second, but that is not needed. You get that from the sample size right here. I think I'd hit delete accidentally or something in the copy I was using in class. Anyway, what's our population proportion? 0.92. And what's our sample size? 160. 160. And since standard deviation is computed from P, Q, and N, it plugs it right in for us. There's our standard deviation. It goes on to say, what's the probability that we have more than 95% germination? Well, the great thing about this worksheet is that it's pretty darn well set up for us here. So, so we want to know greater than 0.95, right? So our C value that we want Y to be greater than, so I'm not using the Y less than, I'm not using the Y between, I'm using the Y greater than C down here. And the value I'm going to plug in is 0.95. Hit an enter, and there's my answers. So about 8%. All right, folks. That was awful short, but that's really all you got to do for this. So I hope we can see how this can start to speed us up quite a bit heading into test 3 in a little while. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And coming at you with one more today, normal and normal X bar.